What's up, XRP family? Thank you for joining today. We have some interesting stuff to talk about. Before we dig in the video, be sure to subscribe, guys, for more content. And I will be talking more about technical analysis and stuff that could really set you up for the future, guys, because we have some interesting things happening right now. And I think it could not have been better than this scenario. So let's dig in. Don't panic. Don't think that crypto is over, guys, because it's really the opposite. I really expected something like this to happen before we really see XRP going to some big numbers. Now let's dig in. Let's see what's going on in the world. Let's see what's going on the chart with XRP. Guys, the chart looks amazing. It is still very bullish, and I will show you why. Now, here we have a big impulse. Then we have a flag. So usually when we have an impulse like this, we have a flag. As you can see here, on the smaller occasions, these are all flags. You can see impulse flag, impulse flag. Now I want you to understand that this is a bigger flag, okay? So before we can say that XRP is gonna move even more down, we actually need to break this level, create a flag here under the line, and then we can move more down. But I think if you're a long-term XRP holder and believer, this is the perfect moment to buy aggressively. The perfect moment. 1, 2, 3. We have a third touch on a big support line, which is a very big opportunity, guys, because anyway XRP under $1 is a bargain. Okay, that first of all. If you're a long-term holder, this is the perfect moment. This is not financial advice, and I will show you why everything is gonna make sense. Let's dig in, guys. Here we have the coronavirus pandemic may cause a drastic decline in cash usage due to the risk of contamination. Could COVID-19 signal the end of cash in the United States? And can the US really function without physical currency? Now we know that China already is functioning without cash. They don't have cash anymore, guys. They are using digital yuan, and they are using only cards. They have only cards in China. So let's take a look at this video.
Cash is king, but in a socially distant world where payment is as easy as... Does cash still hold the same value?
Cash is still relevant, but cash is no longer king. Although people in this country and around the world do continue to use cash to purchase things every day, that is decreasing.
Electronic payments have cannibalized checks. Card payments have grown, but cash has remained king. 2/3 of transactions under $10 are done in cash.
Although data surrounding COVID's impact on cash has yet to be reported, the pandemic is expected to cause a drastic decline in cash usage due to the risk of contamination. The unprecedented surge in the demand for contactless payment has also shown outstanding performances from major companies offering cashless payment methods like Apple, Square, and PayPal.
Now, guys, you can clearly see this is proof, this is facts, this is not FUD, or this is not just talking out of our, I would say, ass or something, but you know, this is just facts, okay? You can see electronic payments are going up and up and up. Now we know that the financial system, the technology is not perfect and it's not good. What do you think, guys, in now and 5 years will happen? Definitely we're going to use blockchain. It's inevitable. It will definitely happen. So with that in mind, would you rather save your money on the bank, or would you rather invest in technology that will make it happen? Now this is what we have to ask ourselves. Now there's people, they look at the prices now and they just want the price to go up and that's it. But guys, you're in this for the long term. If you're in this for the long term and you want to make some real wealth, then you have to start asking yourself the questions, because it's not going to be easy. What's happening now with the prices, they want to scare you out of the market. They don't want you to hold this new technology. They want to make you scared. They want to push you out. And that's what's happening right now. You have to understand, guys. If you don't understand it, you're gonna be out of this very soon, and you're gonna miss the train. Look at what this woman has said. She's newly hired by Ripple. Now let's take a look at what she's saying.
What do you think about cryptocurrency as a form of currency?
Well, I think the train's already left the station in terms of cryptocurrency. You may or may not know that I just joined the board of Ripple, and the reason why I chose to join that board, it's, in my opinion, one of the few cryptocurrency options out there that has a credible and legitimate use. So financial institutions use it to settle cross-border payments.
What do you think about crypto?
Very clear, very clear. There is another proof, another fact why this woman joined Ripple. She said it is one of the few cryptocurrencies that has legitimate use and has a future as a company. Now we have to understand that very carefully, because she's not just saying that for any reason. She said the train already left the station. That's because she knows what's coming. She knows what is gonna come. You can see that the prices are lower now. She would not say that because you cannot buy crypto anymore. No, you can still buy it, but she knows that most of the people will be out of the market because it's already happening. Things are already happening. There is no doubt about it that XRP will be used in the future as the main bridge asset. Just think about it. Here's all the proof that you can get. What do you want more? Now let's take a look what's happening with the SEC lawsuit, guys. Very interesting, because yesterday we had a hearing. Let's see what happened. During the hearing, it seems that SEC George Tenero said that Ripple Labs wants to push for a summary judgment on its lack of due process and fair notice affirmative defense. Attorney Jeremy Hogan reported that moment and suspects that Ripple Labs wants the hearing to happen even before the hearing regarding the nature of XRP, which could end the trial without that regulatory clarity, but with a precedent that would allow any future defendant in a similar lawsuit to claim they had no fair notice from the SEC. A Ripple victory at that hearing would of course end the whole case. Would XRP have clarity then? Yes and no. XRP status would not, but no one could be sued after that by the SEC, because there would be case precedent that no one had fair notice anyways. Now this is a possible outcome. In my opinion, we are getting very close. Within 2 weeks, guys, we will hear something. We will see something happening. It's already happening. Prices are going down, and this is good. You have another opportunity. That's how you look at it. People are panic selling. What do? XRP lawsuit. Will the court compel Ripple to disclose legal advice? Docs. The SEC versus lawsuit has been gaining recognition from people outside the crypto space lately. Judge Netburn ruled this week with the SEC could continue sending out requests to foreign governments seeking Ripple's documents from business partners. Now guys, it's gonna be very interesting in the next couple weeks, because there has to come some settlement. We are reaching the end and you do not want to miss out on that. Ripple's XRP price, third phase of bull run expected, $10 set. May have extended a rally. Ripple's XRP price had maintained a well-balanced rally around 1.32. With minor fluctuations until major slump occurred, the price was completely destabilized and visited much lower levels. However, a much intensified recovery was expected, which failed to occur, and the price yet again drained back below 90 cents. However, considering the previous price moments, the price each time has undergone a long jump during a phase of a bull run. As pointed out by a popular analyst and XRP proponent, Crypto Bull 2020, the next move may rally the price from 80 cents to $10 range. Now guys, this is very possible. This is based on previous things that happened. Because I told you, I showed you on the charts, it is a bigger bull flag. It is not looking, it's not a ascending wedge, it's a descending wedge, which is a bullish sign. So be careful, don't get fooled, because a lot of people are selling right now. They're panicking, and this is exactly what they want you to do. They want you to sell. You will miss out a large bull run, guys. The idea that selling is some kind of evil or moral failing is toxic nonsense. There's absolutely no reason anyone should take a risk. They're not comfortable for someone else's benefit. This is David, CTO of Ripple. I think he's playing a game here, guys. Seriously, they want you out of XRP. That's what's going on. Because listen, if you are a long-term holder again, you're not selling. You're only buying more at these points. That's how you win in the long term. If you sell and buy at points, no one can gamble on it. No one can know what's going to happen with the market in the future. So what's the best thing? The best thing is that you're holding and buying more on low levels. So when that big target is set, you will have a lot of wealth. That's the goal, guys, here. And that's what they don't want you to know. SEC chairman highlights importance of being ready for crypto. Now look what Gary Gensler said. Gensler referred to the increasing popularity of the fintech and cryptocurrencies industry by stating, as we continue to stay abreast of those developments, the SEC and FINRA should be ready to bring cases involving issues such as crypto, cyber, and fintech. We need to do whatever we can to ensure that bad actors aren't playing with working families, savings, and that the rules are enforced aggressively and consistently. So that's exactly what they're doing now with XRP. Now the big question is, will we reach a regulatory framework or not? I think Ripple is just an example. I think they want to put out the good example. So I think that after XRP is finished, more will follow. But XRP is the first one. Don't forget that. That means something. The legal battle not only shows down planned development, but could also scare away potential investors. Now look what they're saying in the media. This is such bullshit, because in the last couple of months with the SEC going, Ripple has received much more investments than previous years. So this is nonsense. This battle, this SEC, what's going on, just gave Ripple way broader acknowledgement from bigger financial institutions. So this is utterly nonsense. Don't read things in the media and believe it, guys, because it's very dangerous. You can soon rent an apartment in Malta with Cardano. Now this is very interesting. This is just to show you guys that crypto is not gone. Crypto is not going anywhere. The prices are just correcting. There is nothing going on. Cardano accepted in Malta to rent an apartment, guys. This is a big achievement for cryptocurrency. And this is how it's going to be used in the future. Now imagine that this is all over the world and this is standard. It's going to be a very different ballgame, guys. They won't say it, but they'll show it. The Fed looking into possible digital US dollar. And we know when a digital dollar is there, that XRP is going to be in the game. 100%, guys. Don't be fooled by the media or don't be fooled by anything. Bitcoin miners might be leaving China. Is this good or bad? Now this is, let me know what you think about this, guys, in the comments. If you think this is good, if you think this is bad, and tell me why. Now if you're thinking in a very logical way, all the mining is happening in China. Now we know that the regulation there has been a problem, and that's why prices are dropping very fast. Now if the miners are going from there, I think it's going to be good, because if the regulation is not good there, not stable, and they go somewhere else where they can mine and can actually build something, well, it's going to be good for the space in general. So let's take a look what happens, guys. But don't be fooled, because crypto is just starting to make noise. It didn't finish, and it's gonna make much more noise, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like the video. See you in the next one. Cheers.